Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Sapil. The brand Sapil is a subsidiary or a branch of the House of Swiss Arabian from United Arab Emirates. They are one of the biggest perfume houses from United Arab Emirates, from Middle East. And this lineup, the Sapil lineup, is the cheaper lineup from them, but don't make that mistake, think just because it's cheap, it smells cheap. No. Almost all of the Sapils I unboxed and reviewed, they were very, very good, especially for the price. This one in particular is called Sapil Bound, and this one is 100 ml, and it says for men eau de toilette, and in United Kingdom you can find it under £20. And let's see how it goes. As always, look at this, for beautiful, for under £20. Presentation is good, the box is quite a weight to it, and let's see how it goes. So this one is as I said, under £20 in United Kingdom. Sorry about the noise. Here we go. So simple packaging but very nice on the hand, and on the eyes they are quite nice. Sapil always have this, God, it's just a pain in the neck. Come on, Sapil. I see, that's the problem. They have this seal, which is unnecessary, and it just makes everything, especially for unboxing, it makes it nightmare. Anyway, so I destroyed the box. Who cares about the box? And the bottle is quite nice. Bye bye box. Yeah, look at that, beautiful design, very nice on the eyes, quite nice and weighty. Overall it's quite simple, but it's nice and does the job perfectly. It says Bond for Men by Sapil, 100 ml eau de toilette, and the cap is plastic, is not bad. Overall it looks good. It says Sapil on the top, and here we go. Let's see the atomizer. The atomizer doesn't have that oomph to it, but it's okay, it does the job. Anyway, so how is the smell on Sapil Bond for Men? And this is 100 ml eau de toilette, and here we go. First impression. Delicious straight away, beautiful, sweet, caramelly, little of chocolatey feel to it. On top it's got some fruitiness to it, which is mainly like an orange, little bit of apple, and it's quite spicy as well. Yeah, spicy and warm, so it's a warm spicy, and that apple and the orange together makes it very watery, almost like a juicy fruity on top. It's quite aromatic, so I'm expecting it to be lavender in here. It's very, very aromatic actually. So spicy, aromatic, little bit of fruitiness, but right now there's almost no citruses. Fruities, yes, but no citrus. I'm guessing orange is a citrus, isn't it? Yeah, it's a big orange. It's massive orange, and the combination of orange and this apple together is making it very, very appealing. It's got a few things in here, which cinnamon definitely, nutmeggy, it's quite nutty in the same time. I can smell something like almondy, but it's more like nutty than almondy, but it is very, very, again, very delicious. It's like a gourmand basically. Yeah, in the base I can smell vanilla and tonka bean together working, making it that sweet, gooey sweet to it. It's very, very deliciously sweet, and a little of caramel, a little of chocolate. It's got a little of leathery feel to it as well in the base, a little bit of woodiness, but at the moment they are in the background. definitely well, that orange is massive, so it's very big on the orange. It's about fruitiness, spicy. Definitely I can smell cinnamon, I can smell nutmeg, I can smell even some cardamom in here because it's giving it that beautiful body. And also the florals, the biggest one in here is by far is the lavender, because it's very aromatic, but it's got other components of florals. At the moment they are in the background. Yeah, it's got some floral, white floral aspect to it as well, but at the moment they are in the background, they're not full front. Overall, what a delicious, what a beautiful, spicy, fruity, caramelly, chocolatey, nutty goodness. For under 20 quid, this is a bargain. Absolutely, yes. It is leaning a little bit masculine, but overall, because it says for men, but overall, if you like this kind of fragrance, ladies easily can wear it. It's to my nose, it's in the middle, it's unisex, but it leaves a little bit of masculinity. So overall, very well done. It reminds me to some extent of one of my favorite fragrances from House of Armani. I don't have that many Armani in my collection because again, for me, some of them are good, but some of them are a little bit on the boring side, unfortunately. But one of my favorite from the House of Armani is Armani called Profumo, which has been discontinued, and you cannot, unfortunately, you cannot find it. Even if you find it, they're going for a big penny, easily £100 plus now. And that one is very delicious, and this one reminds me of that one very strongly. I'm not sure if they're inspired by it, but it is in that realm. It is the moment I sniffed it, it took me there, because I had a big bottle of it and I used it for going out and things like that. And this one is in that genre, is similar to that one. Very delicious. Yes, very good for going out, for evening, for close encounter, for romantic encounter, for formal occasion, special occasion, and things like that. Very well done. Smells very good. It's just straight open like a perfume, no alcohol, no harshness, which is telltale of sign of good ingredients and a good perfumery in here. And overall, absolutely for the money, this is a bargain, because as I said, Armani code Profumo, it is been discontinued, you cannot find it, and even if you can find it, it's very expensive. And if you like me, if you like that perfume or you love it, this is a beautiful alternative to it, very close to it, probably around 90% closeness. Okay. Ooh, that leather is coming more and more, and also the tonka bean is coming more. It's getting a little bit sweeter, so it's very sweet. So you need to like your sweetness from 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest. It is around 8, so it is quite sweet, spicy, fruity, amber, big amber in here, but the amber in here is not dense and dark. It's quite fluffy and it's quite effervescent. The leather is in the background right now. The tonka bean and the vanilla working very well together to make that sweet and nutty feel. It's got a spicy aspect to it, which is nutmeg, definitely some cinnamon, and also some cardamom, most likely, to give it that beautiful body, that sexiness to it. This is very sensual, sexy. Overall, very good, very well done for the first impression. I'll give it 2 thumbs up. As I say, it reminds me of that Armani Code Profumo, which is one of my favorite from the House of Armani. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know, if you have tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. If you want to support me by buying one of my own fragrances, yes, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own line of perfumes. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker. So they are true handmade perfumes, and they are beautiful, out of this world, ultra beast mode, amazing value for money, 100% natural. Very, very mesmerizingly beautiful and very unique, very artistic, very mysterious. But you need to live in United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I'll leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.